Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan. Today I'm taking you through a yoga flow to slow down. So grab your comfiest clothes, grab a blanket and pillow if you have one. If not, no worries. Let's grab your mat and create balance in your life. Let's go ahead and find a nice, comfortable seated position. So you can sit cross-legged on your mat. You can put your blanket or your pillow underneath you. Just lift yourself up a little bit. And then allow the hands to fall wherever it feels natural to you. Maybe they sit on the belly. Maybe they're palm down or palms up on your knees. And wherever you're at, go ahead and close down the eyes. Let's just take a few deep conscious breaths here. We'll take a deep breath into the belly, allow it to expand. Exhale to let all the air go. Deep breath into the belly, allow it to expand. Exhale, draw your navel to your spine. Deep breath in. Long exhale out. Let's take a few more deep breaths of your very own. So feel the expansion in the spine and in the body as you inhale. And actively feel the body release, relax on the exhale. Then begin to even out your breathing, even it out. And you can bat open the eyelashes. And let's come to have a seat. You can just place your pillow or your blanket off to the side. And send your legs out long. Move the fleshy part of the sitting bones aside. Generously bend through those knees to begin. Flex the tops of the feet somewhat towards the face. So you don't want the strain in the legs and the feet, but just a little bit here to protect the knees. And on an inhale, we're going to reach the arms up towards the ceiling, up towards the sky. Big breath in. As you exhale, fold forward over your legs. Allow the hands to fall wherever it feels natural. We'll take a deep breath in, gaze forward. And as you exhale, release, crown of the head over your legs. So breathe here. Nice big bend in these knees to begin with. You can straighten them out if you have the flexibility in your body. But let's just soften here. This is a chance to slow down, relax and unwind. take a deep inhale in, fill the belly, look towards the front of your mat. As you exhale, release your grip and roll it on up to a nice, long, straight spine. Let's go ahead and bend the right knee. You can keep a little space between your leg and your foot here. Then we're going to take our left arm, wrap it around our right knee, and right hand is going to come behind you. Flex the top of the left foot towards you. And without cranking here, just a small, slight twist. We'll take a deep breath in. As you exhale, release the bind, come through. And just open your heart towards the left. Quick counter twist. Deep breath in. Long exhale out. Send the right leg out long. Plant your left foot on the mat. Knee up towards the ceiling. Take a deep breath in. Hug your right arm around your left leg. Left arm comes behind you. Take a deep breath in, sit up nice and tall. Exhale, relax a little more into your twist. Take a deep breath in. Long exhale out. Deep breath in. Exhale, twist just a little bit more and hold, breathing for 2 more breaths. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, release the arm, release out of the bind. Quick counter twist to the left. Take a deep breath in. Exhale to release, coming back through to center. Take a deep breath in. Long exhale out. From here, you're going to send your legs out nice and wide. I'm going to come sit this way on my mat. But you want to send your legs out long and wide in front of you. Sitting up nice and tall. You can take a pillow or your blanket and place it underneath you. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, begin to crawl your fingertips forward and release the crown of your head over your leg. Deep breath. So you should be feeling this in the hamstrings, on the inner thighs. You can go as low as it feels good in your body, perhaps coming all the way down to the forearms, or this can be a super small, subtle forward fold. And we'll take a deep breath in, gazing forward. As you exhale, sit up nice and tall. Take a deep inhale in. As you exhale, closing the legs and coming forward into tabletop pose. Wrists underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Press down into the tops of the feet. Let's just go ahead and take a deep breath in. Drop the belly, shine your heart forward. Exhale to actively arch through the back, tuck your chin into your chest. Deep breath in, drop the belly, do a hair toss. Shine your heart forward. And exhale, tuck your chin into your chest. Deep breath in. Long exhale out. Inhale, coming through to your cow pose. Exhale, actively arch through your back, coming into cat. Take one more cycle of breathing here in your cat-cow. And on your next inhale, you're going to come back through to center. Bring the big toes to touch. Your knees will go as wide as your yoga mat. And sink your hips back. Reach your fingertips forward, coming into extended child's pose. If this shape does not feel good in your body, you can always stack your fists on top of each other, placing the forehead on the fist. Or you can bring the knees together and just come to rest your head down towards the mat. We're here for 5 deep, full body breaths. Begin to even out your breathing. On your next inhale, go ahead and pull yourself up. Bring the legs together. Come to have a sit back on your heels. Spine is nice and long. Sit up nice and tall. Draw the shoulders from your ears and allow the palms to rest gently on your knees, on the thighs. Close down your eyes and take a few deep breaths here in hero's pose. Amazing. On your next inhale, go ahead and reach the arms up and overhead. As you exhale, right hand to left leg behind you, quick twist. Take a deep breath in. Exhale to return back through to center. Inhale to reach the arms up and overhead. Exhale, left hand to right leg, right hand behind you. Deep breath in. Long exhale out. Coming back through to center. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let's go ahead, swing the legs to one side, any side, it does not matter. And we're coming to lie on our backs. So if you don't have a pillow and a blanket handy, just come to a nice comfortable position on your back. Otherwise, you might take your pillow underneath your head. And you can take your blanket, placing it on top of the stomach. Maybe you wrap yourself up in your blanket. You can roll it up and place it underneath your knees. But let's just take a few quiet moments here in Shavasana. Just giving ourselves a chance, just a few more moments to slow down. Find a little bit of calmness, a little bit of ease. And then you can stay here as long as it feels good to you. Otherwise, we'll bring the palms together, place them right up to the third eye, the thumbs right between the eyebrows. If you haven't done so already, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel to get free content every Wednesday. Make sure you hit the bell button to be notified when the content goes live, and do something kind for each other, and share this with someone you know in your life who could use some yoga and a chance to slow down. With that, the light in me bows down to and honors the light within you. Thank you so very much for joining me today for this Yoga Flow to Slow Down class. I will see you next time. Namaste.